guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'm showing you how to actually get looping in Roblox, right? So your internet connection may cause too much lagging and have looping and the rest of that. So I'm going to show you how to actually get a looping in Roblox, right? So first thing you have to do is, because of your internet connection, that's why sometimes you might face lagging and the rest of that. So you can actually go to your Chrome browser and search for internet speed test, and let me show you. So let's search for it together. Internet speed test. So it's just like this. You can see run speed test. So I'm going to check. So this is my test. My megabyte per second is running over 14.2. So this is how it actually operates. So it might be as a result of your slow internet connection. That's why your game keep lagging and just of that. So you can see it actually run 14.9 and the upgrade is 38. So you can see. So you can actually change your data package so it can help you enhance faster internet connection and speed as well. So if you want the main settings, you need to use your PC to actually have the right settings, because if you are using your PC to actually play Roblox, you need to check that as well. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See my next video. Bye.